and stay calm. He guides my goals. Patience in the dark, I don't chase the move. I trust the plan and let it prove. If it's not my setup, I let it go. Slow money wins, that's all I know. Oh, highly favored, highly favored. God first, chart second, highly favored, highly favored, highly favored. I wait on purpose, highly favored, highly favored, highly favored. Blessings in the process, highly favored. Asia Princess path, I read it slow. Futures breathe, then drift and flow. No rush, no fear, just clean routine. Zones get tagged and I stay unseen. If the candle lies, I don't lean in. If the prayer is peace, then I begin. One good entry can change the night. Faith over hype keeps the trade right. Highly favored, highly favored. God first, chart second, highly favored, highly favored, highly favored. I wait on purpose, highly favored, highly favored, highly favored. Blessings in the process, highly favored. Let the noise fade out, let the weekends.
Yeah, we just.
What's going on, Savage?
What's up, buddy?
What's up, man?
Just running around on Pokemon streams for my kids and jumping on here, checking out charts and being ready for the day. And I see a short level that I want to take here soon, so I'm just kind of watching for it.
Let's go. What's up, Doc JD? Those on the Discord, what's going on?
What's up? What's up?
Let me put user. Let me mute Nightbot over here. All right, so hey, what a market today, right? Want to do a little recap? Let me bring up a chart here real quick. Let me delete these levels here. And what I actually should do is bring my other chart where I have levels. I always have another chart where I have all my levels, and this one is my naked chart. But this, what a crazy day, right? Last night, we saw the trade, right, that tanked literally all night. We could have held this thing overnight and made $1 million. But the market had opened. We opened here. We pushed up for a brief moment. And I actually took this buy in my account and actually made it. And then I had the pump this morning. I was looking for the zone of like 28,000 to get out. And as soon as I saw the rejection before it, I just got out. And then it kept tanking. Now, this bottom right here, and I had sent Savage this level right here. This market came and literally hit that's my 470 level. Wait, 413, I'm sorry. 413 level. It came right to the 413 and had a 600 point bounce, right? And just took off. And I was telling Savage, like, oh my God, I'm having major FOMO. I was literally having major FOMO. Right before FOMC came in, it kept pumping. We had FOMC today. And then as soon as Fed Speaker Wash was done, Trump came on and he started just slow bleeding the market back, right? And then we dropped to new lows for session lows, new lows for since the last when When was the last time we were this low, actually? 2 back in April. So
Been a minute.
it came down. Now we're kind of lollygagging here. And I really don't know what else to say about this market other than let's find the next best trade. We had huge earnings today from Meta. Meta was a earnings play. We see this dump. That took a huge dump today. Starbucks had a earnings play, and I think that pumped up. That actually pumped up. Oh, I see a short here though on Starbucks, and I'm gonna mark this out because this is a tomorrow play for me. They had earnings, they drove it down, held support, previous resistance. But this gap here has to fill, so I might take a long dated option play. Just a couple bucks down, and that might work. And who else had Microsoft had earnings today, I believe. Same thing. All the tech companies had a big major dump. Right? We see Tesla. Listen, I'm gonna give you guys a tidbit. If you have cash on the side, cash is king. Cash is a position. Hold your cash. And these markets right now are where generational wealth gets built. You start slowly easing up into these positions and you start putting them there. Use cash that you don't need the liquidity on it, and just let it ride. Let it ride, because these are the moments that people make a ton of money. So that's just my 2 cents on that. But we're not here to talk stocks. We're here to talk futures. And Savage said he was looking at a short. Let me see what he's looking at. Well, I set up my charts. I got to get some water. I just finished another meeting. So then I want to switch my camera.
Yeah, I don't think your camera's actually showing on the YouTube.
Let me see. We got 4 people watching. We might do the giveaway on Friday. And actually, I spoke all of that without even having my camera on. That's great. Perfect. At least you guys know I'm here.
We saw the dark side of the moon.
Why isn't my camera on? There's no market on Friday. No, there isn't. Yeah, you're right. There is no market on. So yeah, those of you that are here on Friday get the giveaway. Hold on, bro. Oh, there we go. All right, that works. As long as that one works. My other camera ain't working. I don't know why.
So I'm looking at the
sleep
chart on here.
So yeah, that's it. Savage, what do you got? We pumping.
Right, so it's coming up close to where I'm at. So this is a daily chart. We opened here, very, very little wiki, and coming up into the daily candle from not yesterday, but the day before, the bottom wick. Like to see some movement on that, and we're getting really close to the entry on that. So I'm just watching for that. It's easier to see for me on TradingView. Well charts still getting a little better. I may even pick up some Top Step accounts using their X platform. It's pretty smooth. It's user friendly. It's like the Robinhood of the stock market game for anyone. But I like this 603 short, and I've had this down here. Look for longs for quite a while.
Oh, nice.
And you can see how close we got. But if you look back, and you can even go back to the replays, where I said, look for shorts in this zone. You see that? We tapped into it, and then and I had that on when we were down here. We pumped up into it and just dove. So hoping my zones play out, the long-term zones. Obviously, this is over a week or so period.
I
Come
like it.
down. I'd like to see
I
this.
have a zone at 608.75.
Okay. 608.75. Yeah,
Which
that's
is
great in the ballpark there. And then
put that
the
in here.
long range, kind of like the short, is right here between these two green lines that I have down. The 26.868 being a low and 27.159 being a high. So I'll probably start taking a position at that point. But I'm gonna flip over to my other chart because I'm gonna start looking for position in here. I did take a payout yesterday on my one funded account and pulled out $750 on that account. So if you see, and I'm transparent with it at nighttime, so my distribution drawdown is only $500. That's because I took $750 payment out, and that 750 minus 1500 takes me to there for my drawdown. I have to be really careful with this account. My other funded account, I'm about $250 away from another 750 payout, and then I need roughly $1,000 on this account for turn that into a funded account. So I think we're gonna play some funded accounts tonight.
Oh, let's go.
Because
Gonna make me go get my. I did make some money on my Halcyon today. I do gotta get it. I made like $300-400. So I can't even get them here. I don't even know how to bring them back. Hold on. Something here. Log out. Save changes and log out. Log back in. We go to OmniProp. I made $324 on my Halcyon account. I'll try to take them to pay out. Gotta get some water.
That's the goal, right?
Here, I want to show this. This is the zone that I got here. This 608.75 level. I'm watching it for short, but it look at that beautiful pop off the VWAP. So ideally, actually, if you guys can see, I'm gonna size down very low. I'm gonna take my first entry there, and then I'm gonna take another couple of entries. I'm gonna take an entry there and then an entry there. The reason I'm doing it that way is because I like my 608.75. And if we have a pop, we got my proprietary blue line. And then we have, and let me share my screen to Discord so they can have access notifications, so they can get the live stream. So I got my first entry at 608, second entry at the proprietary line around the 650 area, and then the 200, which is the 680. So I would love for a wick up. We got it's 812, a nice little wick up, and then we flush this thing straight down. That's what I'm looking at right now. So that's what I got, and then I don't know how to pull. I still don't know how to pull the fib retracements here, but let me go to this other chart.
So on wealth charts, it is the find that symbol here. It's the right underneath your measuring tape. You go down. It's right above your midline. It looks like it's a right angle with a.
Oh, there it is. Yep.
No, go down. Right there. Yep. I'm sorry. It's the screen's delayed, so I'm not looking at that. But yeah, it's fib retracement's the second one.
I wanted to see what does this do. Let me change the settings. I turn off everything when I do fib retracements, and I only leave 2 key levels. I don't care about nothing else but these 2 key levels, 618 and the 786. And on the 1 hour, the 786 is at the 900, but let me see where it lines up. On the 15 minute.
am in.
Oh, you are in. All right, let's go to Savage's chart. He is in. All right, while we watch this trade, I'm gonna get some water.
So like you, I got 3 contracts. Well, I have 5 contracts. I entered with 3, and then I have 2 more sitting up a little bit higher. And I'll probably scalp some points down, and then those other zones up there. Normally, I would day trade, just look for 10, 15 points, and we just got 10 points right there. That was a quick. So if I had a mini on, I'd have been done.
So one thing I am gonna say,
Close
I just got robbed.
Looks like somebody took your camera. There it is.
Yeah, I got robbed. Look at
Oh, you
this.
didn't take that entry?
Look,
I got
it
one.
was. Look at this. Look at this.
Sometime Burke's gonna listen to me about my short. And I had my initial take profit right here. And I should have taken it because it did exactly what this level did, is it came up quick, test, bounce. So I'm going to put my stop loss just above that top there. Probably get wicked out, but we'll see. Turn this trade off. So we had 40 points on that pullback with very minimal, I think 5 points. Yeah, 5 points to drawdown.
Huh.
And that's where my stop loss is. So the trail on this is going to hurt me, but those daily wicks are powerful for scalping purposes. Yeah, Brick's looking for a short, Calvin. He's got his levels up a little bit higher. If you want to flip your chart on Brick, you can show him where you're in at.
Yep, these are my shorts. 608, 650 area, and a 680. But interesting fact, you see this gap that my 15-minute candle did?
What is that?
Yeah. You see this?
That's got to be a glitch.
That's on wealth charts.
Yeah, it's got to be a glitch. Got to be. Let me put my 15 on and look.
Yeah, I see all the stuff that my wealth charts be doing.
Oh, look. Brick, mine's got it too. Look.
Let me go to yours.
It doesn't even show. Doesn't even show it entering my thing. Maybe we got to clip this out and show our guys over at Wealth Charts and see what's going on with it.
Yeah. Now, if you go to the 5-minute and then go back to the 15, it'll be gone. Wild.
There you go. I do like that though. Look at that 15-minute entry. See, wick to wick. That was a daily wick entry to the 15-minute wick test right here. I know some people can hold for a long time. That's where I would typically be exiting my trade. But for the sake of fun and excitement, we're gonna
but that was on me and on Savage, JD.
It's all right. My 1 minute's got it right now. You got a gap on my 1 minute chart right here.
I'm looking
I'm
for
curious on
somebody. I think Doc, you got to speed up your
I had to
stream there.
mute. Yeah, I had to mute my Discord thing because I was getting serious feedback on it. So I apologize, guys.
All right, here we go. We're getting the little push up. I'm looking for my entry. Right here, we're getting there. Gonna be patient today. 111. Normally I size in at the beginning, but we know how my previous nights have been going, where it just kind of has me hold a lot of drawdown. We're not doing that today.
You know what, Burke? I'm gonna take this short all the way down to my level tonight.
Oh, let's go.
Do you know what's funny? I think my profit target.
Sell and hold.
Right,
Let me bring down.
look at that profit target sitting right there too.
Put that over there. Come on, just wake up and put me in.
This is going to be a 450 point trade.
Let's go. Yeah, this is it. Now waiting. Look at this. This thing wicked under my entry. Just shorted. 50 points. 50 points.
Don't let the trade you missed determine the trader you're going to become.
Oh man, that was today, bro. Oh my God. That today, that trade I missed at that bottom, that 413.
I do think we can come up and test you. There's a lot of resistance support. I should say support here at this level. So he's tested 1, 2, 3 times.
Just had a great meeting with the team that we'll be taking out to the Dominican Republic at the end of the next month. We're gonna go out there for 7 days. So from here on out, from here to then, we'll have a Savage figured out where we can probably do like a restream or something. So that way he'll be able to log in, because I'll be dead in the water with internet.
Yeah, we'll probably pick up a new computer with all these payouts coming in by then, so you'll be all right.
Come on.
When is that trip?
I leave August 29th.
All right. Yeah, we're good. Let's look at that daily chart.
I just wanted to jump up. I'll get my entry here in 8 more minutes. See what else is going on.
But look at that flat bottom down there on that daily candle.
Yeah.
I'm not saying it's gonna hit this, but I mean that's. What else do we see up here?
Thinking of making an espresso.
I'd say it sounds good, but that sounds terrible. A beverage sounds good. Could get an energy drink or something. Where's team when we need him? I got a inverse fair value gap right here that formed on this daily pump. We broke down through it, but we didn't create, I guess, another fair value gap through it. We just busted through it. I forget how to read those.
All right, team must have jumped in another chat. We miss you, team.
He's on the wrong team.
Guys, like the stream.
Yeah, please like, subscribe, share with friends and family. My son's beating me with this Pokemon stuff, and it's not cool. I can't get beat by a 10-year-old. Too competitive for that.
We don't want to lose Savage and have him trade Pokemon cards. We want him trading the markets. I come up with.
I mean, but you got to catch them all.
What are you doing over there? Opening Pokemon cards? There you go.
So, let's get a hit. Let's get a hit. Let's get a hit. Come on. Let's get a hit.
Do you know what those are worth, or are you just going?
We can do it. Just going. I have no idea.
You might have flashed like a $20,000 card just now.
There's some shiny ones in here. This guy's called Snorlax. I like him. He looks like he's a sleepy guy. He could take a nap.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to go get an espresso. I got 3 minutes to this trade hits. I got 3 minutes and then my entries will be in. Oh, 4 minutes and 37 seconds.
You waiting for 8:30?
Yeah. At 30 will give it the little wiggle that I need.
I don't know if I want to. $60 is $60. So that's what I hate about this trailing draw. So the furthest this went down is $100 in profit that I missed out on.
Yeah, that's that trailing draw, man. It stinks.
All right, we're coming up for you.
Yeah, it's sitting on the sidelines, been patiently waiting. Yeah. Nothing has changed on my charts, guys. Nothing has changed. Trades are still intact. 608, 650. This one is a little bit above 650. 650, 50, and the 680.
I put my stop loss above the 20 level, and I put another sell limit at the 80, which is right about where you're at.
Yeah, my last trade is at the 80. Let's see.
So we're testing that daily wick again and rejecting off it.
Something.
You gonna get your espresso, or are you waiting for your 8:30 candle?
I should get my espresso. Let me go to your charts. Let me go get an espresso. Need that espresso.
All right, y'all. Let's smash the sell button. My brick's gone. No. What you guys looking at anything here? Be hop over in Discord and see what y'all are up to. My guys. Doc's over here cracking up. Kabloosh. the happy accidents. Yeah, that Bob Ross moment. Wow.
Double espresso.
There it is. Just in time. You got 34 seconds.
See that?
Oh, you even got the foam stuff on top.
Oh yeah, this is out of the Barista Brevel Express. It's the good stuff. Oh, that's so good. I love these cups. These are insulated cups where it's like a cup within a cup, so it's never hot, but it keeps the heat in the inside of the cup. Pretty dope.
That's fancy.
Here we go. Here we go. Come on, bro. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Go. Go. G Wiz and Dandy are over there trading. All right, first trade is in.
So you should be in.
Yeah, first trade is in. Instantly, 10 points.
It's a good feeling, isn't it?
Let's go all the way down. All right, we are in this trade. 23 points. Look at that. The day I don't fully size in, look at this. What was the espresso? Just gonna let this thing just play out.
Silent charts on the screen. Coffee gone cold again. Tokyo lights on the glass. Blue in the window pane. I watch the candles breathe. No rush in my hands. Price keeps walking my way. I don't move first. I've seen the fast ones fold. Seen the loud ones bend.
I only got one contract to Brick.
Oh, bro. Oh. Bro. Can I just say, bro?
Don't look at my charts, Brick.
Okay. Shh, guys, we're gonna take a peek. Shh, don't say nothing.
No,
bro.
don't do that.
Look at that. Oh Lord. Oh Lord. What does he got going on over there?
I had 5 accidentally.
Chat. What is Savage doing over there, chat? Bro.
You didn't see anything.
I saw nothing. So I got another cup of coffee right here. All I see is the cup of coffees.
Hey, look, my profit target moved up.
How did that happen?
Don't know.
Let's see what he sees over there.
I'm on a 15-minute chart. I was looking for this come back down and retest this top of that 15-minute wick.
Yep.
Right there is what I was looking for. That's why I sent it for. I am on an eval account right now. It's up here. So I sent it a little bit harder than I would normally. But if I was on my funded, you could watch me take a payout.
All right, chat. Anybody see something similar in the chat? In the zones, I was gonna say in the zones we trust, but I don't trust the zones. I only trust God. In the zones we confide. All right, look at these things. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Is this a snipe entry, guys, or what? Break the Sniper is not the name for nothing. Come on, chat. Who else is in this?
I would have passed if I would have held those contracts.
Yeah, you would have.
Oh.
Didn't Savage say earlier I don't listen to his shorts? Don't say nothing, but it looks like Miss Savage walked in the room. And we're gonna make him laugh, guys, while Miss Savage is correcting him.
Yeah, Miss Savage was. Yeah.
How's this trade working out, guys? Type in the chat if you're in there.
I'm in here.
Type in the chat.
I'm
Type
typing
in
that in
the
there.
chat.
You know what, Burke? I'm not going for a 100-point trade tonight. I'm taking this down 300.
Oh, let's go. I only got one bad micro on there, but it's still up $100, so might as well.
Let's go.
Look at this. Look at this push. 70 points. Bro, the time I don't size my normal position. Elvin says W. My take profit is at 531, he says. He hit it already. Come on, guys. Asia market's been printing. I told Savage today before we got on here, I told him, I said, think I'm gonna see the market very, very clear today. Guys, have y'all ever met FOMO?
Yep. And that's why I sent 10.
So earlier, I was on the phone with Savage. We were watching the dump, and this guy FOMO showed up, and he just started pressing the buttons on my accounts, on my Traderfy accounts. This is an Apex that I stream right here. This is an Apex. I'm working on a dashboard that I can bring in all of my trades. But it just kept pushing the button here. It just kept pushing the button everywhere on my Traderfy. Like what is FOMO doing? Well, this trade plays out. Let me see. If I flip here, yeah, it comes up. So what I've been working on is actually moving over to a web app application. Spend a lot of time working on this now, just to give you guys a little brief. Oh, hey, what? Wait. Let me go here.
Oh, doxing yourself, Bubba.
Yeah. That's fine because my name is so common. Good luck stealing my identity.
My name is Jeff White.
So, guys, as you can see, this is sample data loaded. These are from demo trades. This is not real trades here. Just want to make that clear before people start thinking this is what has been happening today and this week and whatnot. And this is definitely not my win rate. My win rate stays up in the 70, 80s. But this is what's called mission control. You'll be able to come on here as your different orbs. You're gonna have to input the numbers of the orb. Florida doesn't allow me to do certain things as far as holding people's accounts, but this is where this is going to be ideal. Is you'll be able to add an account and say we go to Top Step, we have a combine, we have a $50,000 combine, and we're in an evaluation. Boom, it brings all of the rules right into the platform, and then this is going to start filling out. I'm still working on these areas here. Your profit target would be 3,000. You know, your max drawdown 2,000. Daily loss limit if you're in one of those daily accounts. And then you confirm. And I guess something's missing. Again, this is all demo trying to apply these figures. Oh, I had to hit apply these figures here. Then it applies it, and something's still missing here. I don't know. Okay, something's missing there to be able to add it. So once you bring in your account, it'll give you your profit target. You know, here, this one, of course, superseded it. And then it gives you your down draw floor, your distance to floor. This one is an intraday trailing, and so on and so forth. It also gives you your consistency rules right on the spot. So let's say you're trading 5-6 different prop firms. You'll be able to see everything here in one dashboard instead of going into each individual prop firm. This is going to be your journal. Just quick import. You import your journal right here, CSV import, and it's going to load everything up. I'm working on the P&L calendar right now. These are your statistics. This is going to be the journal of journal. Rule shield, so make sure you're following your rules and the goals that you have per the rule. Bro, yeah. I'm not even looking at the trade, but this trade is dumping.
You're already up 100 points.
And then this is your ORB workspace where you'll be able to put in your ORB and whatnot. Your trade reviews, it'll tell you your strongest setups, your weakest setups, the longest trade, the longest locked losing streak. It tells you which time of day is your best day that you perform in, your mistakes. Then it's going to give you your coaching, right? It's going to tell you, it's going to evaluate all of your trades. And instead of you dumping it into Grok or ChatGPT or whatever, this is automatically going to tell you what is it that you can work in. That is something that's in the making. Now here we're up 100 points, and this is, bro,
Solid.
that is wild. The day I
Look at that
take one
top
set
pick.
micro. I don't know what you're talking about. Guys, these zones, listen, there's a lot of great traders out there. I'm not gonna knock anybody, but I will put my zones against anybody. When I trade off a zone, it's gonna hit.
It's when we do that FOMO trade that gets us.
Look at this. If I would have fully entered my 5 micros like I normally do, that was $1,000. $1,000. We're here at VWAP. Let's see the way it reacts here, because here it held, here it wicked. 15-minute VWAP. Now it's going to be trapped between the 9 and VWAP. So now we went from a moving market to a trap market.
And I moved my stop loss above the last 5-minute candle, which is probably a little dangerous because it created a fair value gap between that one and the other candle, the 830 candle. So a lot of times that will create basically the short that we had yesterday from the inverse fair value gap right there all the way down.
This is the trap market. I'm going, look. This thing is going to try to tank, push up on me. But I'm just going to hold it. Something I got to do.
Dump it. Dump.
Uh-oh. You know why, guys? Shh, don't say nothing. But when Savage says stuff like that and you peek over, that means he's over leveraged somewhere.
No, I still
Okay.
one contract. I just didn't want to hit mine. Now we got 200 points to go to hit my target. And some reason my target's bouncing between 2 different zones. So I don't know.
JD said 321 on the short W.
Good work.
If we break this VWAP here on this 15-minute, I feel very confident that we're going to drop at least to 411. So that'll be another almost 100 points. So just got to watch what it does here at VWAP on the 15-minute.
I'm just trailing my stop down. I'll probably get stopped out on this one. It's the 532. Actually, I'm going to move it back up above that candle. Let's see.
Great. Just letting this thing play out while I do other stuff. Seriously.
Hey, if you flip my chart on, I'll show them what FOMO does.
Uh-oh. Oh.
So
Get you some friends that'll help you FOMO.
I was listening to a famous YouTuber today, and they're like, yeah, you can't go wrong with buying. So I went and I bought right here. And I was like, I don't feel confident in this. I'm going to exit right above this wick. And you see where I caught that top of the wick on a long pump up. Man, I almost got smoked. And then
I wouldn't watch that YouTuber anymore.
And then it was like dump, and I was like, I'm gonna go short here. And I caught a quick 80 points. I mean, it didn't have much pullback on me here. This was actually a pretty decent short if I would have held. because again, I was looking for my zone to get hit out. It's 50%, but it looks like I might get
Wouldn't
stopped out of
watch
this
that
trade
YouTuber
here.
anymore. Just saying.
Yeah. So I'm gonna get stopped right. Nope, missed me.
Oh, bro. Did it again. Did it again.
Oops, I did it again.
Ah.
What'd you do? Did you stop yourself out?
Yeah, I did that stupid stop loss thing, bro. Oh, man.
So wealth charts, and I'll show on my thing here. I'll just close this. So wealth charts has this stupid thing here where you can put your take profit down here. But if you bring your stop loss down like this, it's right where I want it anyway. But if you bring your stop loss down here and you accept it, it'll close your trade.
So
And that was right where my stop loss was anyway. So versus allowing you have to drag it up above your entry, accept it, and then you could drag it down to where you want.
So stupid.
But I'm closing that trade out anyway. I was right where my level was at $402.
So freaking stupid. Like, that really frustrates me, man. And that's my fault, right? For not knowing the platform. Or used to, like, I trade on TradeC on my middle screen. But listen. I may or may not be recovering what I lost. Just saying.
Let me see. May or may not.
Just saying. May or may not be recovering. There we go. Push. Push. That is so stupid. So you got to go up, hit confirm, then come down. And this should work. Yeah, see, that works. I may or may not be recovering, just saying.
So the other thing you want to pay attention to, Burke, is how many contracts you have on.
This one is 3.
Selected. Yeah, I know. I had 5 listed, and I went to go in 4.
Well, the other one was just 1, you know.
You know what 5 times 4 is?
20?
Yeah. Let me take a guess how many contracts I have listed right now.
Oh,
and how
really?
How close that down draw is.
Oh, somebody went ham.
And on purpose. Come on. So you may see that count get melted by being stupid. And we'll clip this. Don't be that guy.
Oh, no, this is going to dump. This is going to dump. Going to dump. There we go.
All right, I close out half of them. I feel a little better with that stop loss.
So we already called the 100-point trade. We do every night. Bet in 100 points. We don't want it. I'm going to get stopped out here. Yep, I got stopped. But I was able to make some money. It's until it doesn't break that VWAP on the 15-minute, I'm really no longer interested, to be honest.
I'm going to go for gold or melt it. I'm all right with where my stop loss is sitting. This is right above that fair value gap into the thing. Actually, I'm going to do. So I'll make sure it wasn't on my funded account because that would suck. You might have saw my camera disappear.
See what this is gonna do. Let me look at the 5 minute real quick. Yeah, this is holding VWAP on the 15 minute. Look at this, guys. On the 15 minute, it's holding VWAP. On the 5, it's holding VWAP. So let me look at the 1 minute. 1 minute is holding. Look at it. 12 charts. Get your act together. I'm sorry. I'm enough. I'm had enough. 12 charts. If you're watching, get your act together.
To make us go use Top Step X.
For real. Matter of fact, shout out to Michael Patop. See, this is. I want to see what this is gonna do here because it's holding the VWAP. But guys, we already called the 100-point trade. You didn't take the 100-point trade. I don't know what you was doing.
Yeah, don't copy this stupid stuff.
We already called that 100-point trade. So
First beating his keyboard.
finishing up some. You ever tried to book a trip for a bunch of people through an airlines? It's horrible.
Nope. Gotta have it spelling the names and all the other craziness, right?
Yeah, and then they ask for so many things. I kind of want this. What's that? The throw count. Got some inspection reports due tomorrow. Oh, this is gonna tank.
Hoping so. Got my profit set at 27,474. I closed two of my contracts up here just to give my down draw a little extra room because I wanted above this body of that candle. So it hurt my profit a little bit, but not crazy. I got $820 left. Come on, any day now, George. What time is it? We got a minute 30 seconds for this thing to drop. It will be the 9 o'clock candle too. I like it. I hope. I kind of don't want to pass this because I don't want to be on wealth charts anymore. I mean, I've got 2 payouts from using it, so I guess I gotta get to that, but too many of my normal features I like to use from like Quant Tower. I could just buy, sell, break even instantly with a finger click.
There we go.
15 seconds.
Excel spreadsheet real quick. Delete.
Silent charts on the screen. Coffee gone cold again.
Trace.
Tokyo lights on the glass. Blue in the window pane. I watch the candles breathe. No rush in my hand.
And I'm gonna get stopped out here, Burke. Come on. Miss me. It's crazy. I'm gonna go back and watch the replay, but you can see my liquidation thing just bouncing. Like it's going down to the candle wick every once in a while. Like it just changes its point. Yeah, I did there again.
Then goes this. Finishing up one quick document. Photo.
Not saying this trade's over yet, but closing out those 2 contracts gave me just enough wiggle room up there to not be liquidated at the top.
It's all on managing your trades, your risk. And your emotions, somebody said. Somebody's emotional.
I ain't emotional. Not yet. But it was at $400 on this account. Should be emotional.
Silent charts on the screen. Coffee gone cold again. Tokyo lights on the glass. Blue in the window pane. I watch the candles breathe. No rush in my hand. Price keeps walking my way. I don't move first. I've seen the fast ones fold. Seen the loud ones.
Oh, it's pumping, huh?
What looks like nothing
A little bit.
now turns into gold again.
Good, because it'll
Okay,
give
now
me
my-
time to go back and take my trade.
I got 20 seconds and to close me out. So I got my fundeds left. So hang tight. I got liquidated live on YouTube.
Oh, you got liquidated?
Yeah, from being stupid. It's fine. I was trying to go in 4 contracts and I went in 20. I closed out half of them and then I got smoked.
Smoked. See, so get this last one saved. Let's trade. Watch. Yeah, booking a trip for people from Florida, Georgia, Indiana, Texas, Puerto Rico, Canada, Trinidad, Tobago.
Wow.
Yeah. Yeah. So here we go. We're back to where we took our 100-point trade.
Let's do it again.
So there's the push. Guys, as you guys know, you guys have been here long enough. You guys understand the way that we trade here a bit. That was my zone to what? To VWAP. You could have easily turned it around, took the VWAP bounce another 100 points up. $50 points is not enough when you leave 150 on the table. I'm kidding. That was a great trade. But here we go. I'm gonna up this up. Take another sell. Right
Up
at
the
my
blue
650. Y'all remember my 650 entry from earlier? I'm gonna take it there. Get a nice 9 more point push up. It's there. It's where it needs to be actually. Let's see if we can get another. Oh Lord, I'm gonna chase this down to 642. Look at the rejection at the proprietary line. Come on, put me in. Put me in.
I think it's gonna get you.
Come
What's
on.
your VWAP up there? 98, 97,
Well, this one is the 200.
200.
Look at this. Look. Come on, push up in. Grab it. Come on, push up. This is the 9 o'clock volume right here. Come on, push. There we go. We're in. This may or may not be a good decision.
I think you're right.
Let it go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Push down. Oh, here goes my dog. Bro, why every time I think she knows when I get in a trade. She'll go
Your
immediately
dog?
to the door. Yeah, just wanting to start,
It's energy.
start going out.
She feels your heart.
Bro, yeah, this thing is, it don't pump like it used to. I remember when I first started trading, my God. Anybody out there took the proprietary, and look, my 650 would have been even a better entry. And I gave it 10 points, right? I gave the market, guys, come on, look at this. Somebody come look at this. $200. You know what? Give me my $200. Let me let my dog out. I'll take my $200.
Move your stop loss down. It'll take you. Good trade, Burke.
Imagine if I would have had the extra 10 points, that would have been, you know, another $100 or so. Somebody pregnant. Oh, Lord. Yeah. Somebody in the Discord is screaming that this is having a Harami triplet candle. Triplet babies.
Harami. Triplet babies. Question is, which way are those babies coming out?
Anybody else take the proprietary sale? Put it in the chat. Y'all see? Guys, I'm giving y'all the trades. Well, no, this is not a signal station. Never mind. Never mind. But secretly, did you take that?
No. I didn't take them when I should have.
Silent charts on the screen. Coffee gone cold again. Tokyo lights on the glass. Blue in the window pane.
All right, I gotta send this text.
I watch the candles breathe. No rush in my hands. Price keeps walking my way. I don't move first. I've seen the fast ones fold, seen the loud ones bend. What looks like nothing now turns into gold again. The wait is where we win. The wait is where we win. Everybody loves the move. Nobody loves the wait. The patient trader writes the story before they celebrate. The wait is where we
This thing, that could have been the freaking trade of the night right there. I think could continue to go. Love it, love it, love it. Let's go break. Great call short, 65 points, 449 times 2. Let's go. This is the man that never puts in the cash app, y'all know. Right? Look at this. Look at this dump.
no need to chase.
Free account goes to the people. The free account goes to the people. The cash app goes to my pocket.
some truth to that.
I take PayPal, Venmo, ACH,
Zelle.
Zelle. I give you my address. You can mail me some Krispies. Hey, you can fly me out with all the money you're making. You can fly me out, and you know we can just meet. Oh, that was a great trade, to be honest. That's the proprietary line, guys. My proprietary line it misses. I'm not gonna say it don't miss, but when it goes in this momentum, and we didn't have a retest after it broke. There was no clean retest of it. That was the retest. I have to take that. It doesn't matter. I have to take that.
I need to check my funded account to see how close I am to pay out.
Silent charts on the screen. Coffee gone cold again. Tokyo lights on the glass. Blue in the window pane. I watch the candles breathe. No rush in my hands. Price keeps walking my way. I don't.
Right. I need 28,021.
What you need? What you need? Oh Lord, this man is in a trade.
It might be. I'm out. All right. So I need 28,021. I got 27,854. I need $167 for payout.
This one has to get deleted.
Rick, if I had entered where you did, we'd be getting some Wagyu steak right now.
Yeah, I'm still trading. You seen? I just took a trade. I don't take a trade
No,
every candle. No, I'm talking to the Discord.
Oh.
I just took a trade.
Trade, monkey, trade.
Yeah, for real. Like, And I
Get
live.
get the Harami triplets and send it.
Like, bro, like, man. Sorry. Um, what the heck? Did not work out the way that I thought it would. Copy. Yes. Whoa. So delete. Save.
All right.
What was that?
Where's Harami? Did he already have his twins, his triplets?
She's gone. I'm going right back there right now. Delete that. I just gotta send this to American Airlines. This.
Now it just wants to chop in this little range. What's going on? He got up here pretty quick and now it's just dancing around. Here we go. All right. All of that is done. Go back. Guys. Not saying that I would take it because it's, you know, it's multiple touches. Just see this push. My next zone would be the 200, but we've gotten 100 points and then the other 60 points. No, another 50 points. So been going good. Today was a good day. JD in the Discord said he passed another account. A Lucid Daily. Come on. I haven't even looked at those. Let's take a look at what those are. See what they got. Lucid Dailies. Oh. Rick, I'm gonna send you a picture of my dog Cam.
Daily. Oh, you gotta customize it. Bro, they living the life right now. Both of them.
How about it?
And this is where, so Lucid is 115 for their daily payout evals. That's not bad. It goes up to $8,000 a day. Yeah, but see that's encouraging to me. That's encouraging DGen. They add those numbers to make you a DGen trader. No, we are not. We are focused, disciplined traders. He said. All right, here we go. Watching this. I'm gonna see. Just looking to see if we get this last push up to the 200. I will take a 200 trade. And that would probably
It's at the 80 level too.
Yeah. That's exactly it. That's what would make me take that trade. But if we don't, it's already 925. Listen, we come in here. There's no other stream that gets on, comes in, snipes the market in an hour and a half. Make.
It gave you a really good demonstration what not to do when you're at $400 and just blow your account.
Yeah. That's the floating, right? That's the floating down draw.
Yeah. Yeah, for real. I mean, I can't show you the account now because they remove it and all the data from it. But yeah, if I had room, I would have been able to recover some of that. That's one thing I like about end of days is I can actually scale the account. I'll make $50 and then size into a little bit and then make, 75, and then I can give myself a little bit more room because now I got about $125 to space. I could take a little bit more size for those points.
That I misspelled their name. Deanna.
She doesn't need to go on a trip. She's fine.
Bro.
Silent charts on the screen. Coffee gone cold again. Tokyo lights on the glass. Blue in the wind.
Here we go. We getting the push up.
I watch the candles breathe.
Let me see if I find this lady's passport.
Price keeps walking my way. I don't move first. I've seen the fast ones fold. Seen the loud ones bend. What looks like nothing.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, I'm gonna have to delete this. Delete the stream. Cut it short. Take notes. That's fine. Wait. Oh, I lost Savage. All right, hold on. Let me get back. All right.
Rebooted. Let me see what's going on. All right, can you hear me now, Brick?
Yeah, I hear you.
Okay. My whole computer just froze on me. I don't know what the heck happened.
Good thing is it's just email, so you guys can see my email. Yeah, your charts are up. Let me see. I don't care about getting doxxed on my name. Again, good luck. PRT. Yes. Hey.
So there's a lot of confluence sitting around this 80 level Brick that I'm watching. It's my orb 100% level. It's sitting at 76. There's a wick right above it, sitting at 79. Also, the 200's right there.
Yep. That's what I'm looking at is the push up. I got a sell order limit at 85.
You got one sitting at 82.
Yep, here it comes. It's coming. It is coming. It is coming.
Silent charts on the screen. Coffee gone cold again. Tokyo lights on the glass. Blue in the window pane. I watch the
I got music going in the background. I don't even know.
no rush in my hand.
Yeah, you have a little bit.
Yeah.
It's like lo-fi.
Yeah, I don't want to leave no dead space. I don't think nobody in the world trades as multitasking as I do. Trade so multitasking. Okay.
Part of me that doesn't want to take this because we've tested this 1, 2, 3, fourth time. Could see a hard push up. I'm putting a stop loss pretty tight. 20,
Well, I
30
can see
points
it
up.
coming up to the 715 though, Savage. That's what I see based on the 200 right up here. About to put me in. Yeah, on the 15-minute, I can see it jumping up. Let me check my other chart. 15-minute.
It almost entered me on that. Matter of fact, I don't know why it didn't enter me on that.
Yeah, I can see it jumping up a bit. Yeah, it's almost
High of
got
that
me
candle was 68.25. My entry is 68.50.
Oh wow.
Or I'm sorry, 682.50, and it came up to 25. So it missed me by one tick.
It's gonna come get you now. Here we go. Pushing.
This will be my last trade for the night then too.
Yeah. Tomorrow I gotta figure it out remotely because my daughter works from here tomorrow. I can't wait to finish the other office. Bro, 20-point drop right there.
Yep.
Thank you. Come again.
You're saying I mean it missed me by a tick. And I would have closed out on that candle top there on the 27.60. 20 points.
The color of the daily candles.
Like I said,
Suffer in silence and thank you. Come again.
6 or 5 or 8 or 9.
Here we go. Push.
I'm gonna miss this trade. I closed mine out.
Push. Oh Lord, did it get you?
No, I closed mine out.
Oh, you close yours out.
Oh, yeah, I closed mine out.
I am in. Here we go. Here we go. Lush.
The number of days in July
Lush.
that have been
Lush.
mostly traded outside of DD bands has been extremely frustrating for me.
Bruh.
Flush. Yeah, I can see the little push up to the 200 area, which is like 701, between 701 to 715. But I would like to see a retracement down to 650s.
Less volatile summers, I know.
I like that.
This is definitely one of those summers that you wish you would have just been on vacation.
Be another quick 30, 40 point trade. We call it.
I don't know that September and October are going to be any better with midterm elections. This thing may just keep going crazy like this for the next 6 months. So it's got to be adapt or die as a trader to me. It's adapt or die.
So I got people in the Discord screaming for higher.
Trump's in office.
Screaming for higher. But I'll tell you what.
Looking to be higher?
I know.
Yeah, they wanted to go higher. They wanted to go higher. They're trying to get 7-Eleven.
Still had Sleepy Joe around.
We'll go slushy. Get that 7-Eleven.
Just smooth sailing. Easy.
Better get it in the next 2 minutes.
No crazy 900-point drops out of nowhere. ES is approaching weekly hedge pressure here.
Oh, somebody was long in the Discord. That's what it was.
How do I trade Blue Sky? It won't let me on TradingView. I'm on TradingView with my Blue Sky right now. I'm not sure. I just put my credentials in.
All right,
to
we
the-
got
I
1 minute
selected
for the
Tradebait
flush.
as the broker. Put in my credentials and it popped right up.
I have to be confident on the flush. I'm in the
At
trade.
HP, ES at HP.
If I'm not confident, nobody else is gonna be.
Oh boy.
It's at 100% of the orb right now from the lower end. The New York orb, I should say.
You're checking a prop named Trade Funder in Prop Score. Is the cheapest account Trade Funder?
What'd you hear? You hear my baby crying?
Am I missing them? Where are they? They're at the very bottom.
Come on, let's see this thing flush, man. Let's just see this thing
They're at the
flush.
very bottom, my dog. It scores a 5.0. You understand that this is literally
Let me give
the lowest
JD some flush music.
score an account can have. A 5.0 is the lowest score an account can have.
Yep, here we go. We're getting the little push. Go up.
I don't know anything about them. Let's look at their accounts. $19 plus an activation fee. It's $148 all in. On a 50K.
It won't push that high yet.
You can get $1,000 with 80% profit split, 30% consistency, plus you have a daily loss.
Here we go.
All right. Yeah, let's see.
Here
See
we
what the
go.
5-minute candle does here.
No thanks. Not for me.
Worse. Look at that.
Not for me. This trader's launch account I was looking at. The trader's launch account I was looking at the other day. These look really cool.
Take
You have a
another
100K,
position.
200K, 300K. The 100K max, it's 1,000 max loss, 2K profit target. So it's 1 to 2, 1 to 2, 1 to 2, no matter what size you're on. It's $135. On the evaluation, it's 40% consistency, no daily loss limit, so you can take 3 days to pass. 3 days to pass. And
Come
then
on,
you go
man.
to the funded, step 2. It's a 2-step. $1,000 max loss.
Come on, man.
$1,000 profit target. So it's just 1-to-1 on step 2.
Come on, just flush.
And then
Just
you go
flush. Just flush.
And daily payouts.
Where's Harami when you want her?
$100,000.
JD screamed Harami a little while ago.
50% and 80%. Yeah, I think 50% in the, it's like your first payout is 50% or something like that, and then you can get, then you can take 80% after a certain amount. I can't remember exactly how it works. I haven't looked. I haven't done like a deep dive into these accounts.
You
I'm
are
still
fake
looking at the
news.
model itself, trying to figure it out. I plan on taking a deeper dive into that account. It's
Those Harambe. That's Harambe. Looking for the Chinese meal.
Oh, I'm patient.
I'm not.
I am patient. Just wait. Here we go. Here we go. Looking for like a 50-point trade. I don't think we're gonna get it.
I don't either.
I don't think we're gonna get that. Up here's the little push. Okay, this is where
So slow.
just dump. All I want to do is go to bed, dump.
Right now, the ATR is 15.
Oh man, that's so
It's a
low.
5-minute ATR. 5-minute ATR is 44. Oh, I don't know. Hold on a minute. I might need to go here in a minute. My little one's waking up.
Yeah, me too. I just want this trade to work out. You have to get off. I get it. But I'm just, as soon as this trade goes into profits, probably gonna get out. Here we go. Let's get this last flush. Get this flush real quick. There we go. See some aggressive move down. Let's see a quick aggressive move down to 650. Down to 650. I'm done with you.
Then we take it all the way.
Here we go. Come on. Just one aggressive push down. Just one. Come on, just a quick flush down and I'm out. Yeah, the best trade of the day was an hour into the market. Now it's just been lollygagging.
Take the stops, clear the zone, hold your breath, let it go. No FOMO, no rush now. Wait for the real move, wait for the now. Flush the market, flush the market, flush the market. Then we move. Take the stops, clear the zone, flush the market. Wait for the real move, flush the market, flush the market.
And this is how I normally trade Bert.
Wait, let's take a look. What do you got going on over there? Look, he been quiet over there, chat. Oh, right there with the baby. Let's go. Look at that.
I got, that's why I like hotkeys, because I gotta have my right at my fingertip.
Oh man, my dog is hurt. Yeah, it's a hurt. He opened the door. You go out there?
And I'm not like in a stall here.
Yeah, it needs to just dump. Like,
Yeah, I'm gonna get stopped out.
yeah, like, not liking this trade whatsoever. I do and I don't. I'm stuck between a rock and a hard place.
I let them overtrade, I let them cross the line. When the zone gets clean, then I step in steady. No fear in the flush. I'm already ready.
Here we go. That's the push we
There we
need.
go.
Flush the market, flush the market. Hit the room, take the stops, clear the zone, flush the market. Now we still flush the market. Oh yeah, flush the market. Oh yeah, flush the market. Oh yeah, that's the
Here we go. Here we go.
wait for the real move, then we take it all the way.
We got stopped out on mine. I put a break even and
You know what? Move my stop loss. Firm. Stop loss. I'm gonna take
I think
5-point
we can
stop
flush here.
loss. I'm gonna have a 5-point stop loss or a 50-point take profit for right now.
I understand. Yeah.
Here we go. Oh, here we go. You know what? 10-point profit, stop loss. I just want this trade to end, to be honest. There's the 650 zone. There's the 650. Moving down to 20 points. Chasing this aggressively, guys. That's just to add a little bit of sprinkles to the buffet we had tonight. It was a nice buffet tonight. All right, it's out. Stopped out.
You taking your profit of your blue line?
Yeah, 650. So that is it. Guys, amazing trading tonight. You guys give us some thumbs up in the chat. Share your winnings. No, don't share your winnings. Share the channel with those that need to be winning. We appreciate you guys stopping in. Remember, stay blessed, stay disciplined. And Little Man and Savage got some words of wisdom for tonight.
FOMO is expensive, and yeah, patience is profitable.
Yeah, that part. Guys, amazing trades tonight. Tonight was a good night. We'll see you guys
Good
here
night, y'all.
tomorrow, same time, same channel. And yeah, that's it for tonight. Have a great evening, everybody, and let's get it. See ya.
Late night. Hey, just